What's up everybody, Josh here, and in this video I'm out in Apollo Beach in the Waterset community, and Homes by WestBay has a brand new floor plan that they're building called the Key Largo II. So I wanted to show you that. It starts at $759,990, and I'm showing you the model home, so obviously it's not going to be $759,990. They do have one inventory home that's going to be ready. Let's see, it was August, September timeframe, and that one is just shy of $1 million, $999,990. So that'll kind of give you an idea of realistically what you're going to spend. But enough talking, let's start today's tour. All right, so let's go take a look at this one, the Key Largo II, brand new floor plan. Love the front porch here. All right, let's go inside. Let me know what you think about this one. All right, so you come in the front door, nice, wide open. To the right here, you have a flex room. They have it set up as an office now. And then to the left, when you come in, they have it set up as the formal dining room. Nice tall ceilings. And then you come in to the kitchen. This one is a gas community, so you have your gas cooktop. And then your main bedroom is going to be over here. So let's go take a look at the bedroom first, then we'll come back. I like the blue shiplap. It's nice to see a little different than all the white. And then of course this one has the door that goes out to the covered lanai and the pool. But nice big bedroom. And then you have access to your walk-in closet right here. And also with a door that goes into the bathroom. So coming into the bathroom, really like that blue cabinetry. It's not too dark, and it's different. It's nice. Still got that light, airy feel. Water closet there, your standalone tub, and then your nice shower here. All right, out into the grand room here. Nice open. Then over here, you're gonna have some understair storage there. And then your laundry room's right here. And obviously that goes out to the garage, but since this is the sales model, that's their offices there. You have another pantry right here. And then one full bath here. And then two bedrooms over here. And of course, this one's got the walk-in closet. One more bedroom. All right, let's go upstairs real fast, then we'll come out. I'll show you the rest of this down here when we come back down. But then up here, you have another bedroom, bathroom, like loft, wet bar area, all that good stuff. I'll show you that. So you come up, top of the stairs, turn right, linen closet there, another bathroom right here, and then another bedroom up top here. Nice sized bedroom. And then over here, you have that loft. Nice size area here. And then this one has the wet bar in it as well. All right, let's go downstairs because there's a lot more amazingness left in this one. I really love this floor plan. All right, so down the stairs, you're gonna have one more bedroom here. And then over here, You're gonna have a pool bath. And then check this out. They got it set up as a game room over here. And then access out to the pool. So let's go out there and take a look. All right, so out through the sliding glass doors onto the covered lanai. And then of course this one, all their model homes, they put in their pools. So you can build a pool here with a builder. Obviously it's gonna be more cost effective if you do your own, but benefit of this is you can do it while it's under construction and you're not living in a construction zone for a pool and a spa. But this is the Key Largo II. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below.